If you're hunting for a reliable mid-range speaker upgrade, the Rockville RM64SP 4-Ohm model deserves a close look. It's built to deliver crisp vocals and solid mid-bass performance, making it a smart choice for anyone who wants clear, powerful sound without overhauling their entire audio setup. This speaker handles 60 watts RMS with a peak power of 120 watts, so it's ready to push your music with confidence. Its 6.5-inch open basket design fits most standard door mounts, while the super slim profile makes installation hassle-free, even in tight spaces. That means you get great sound without complicated modifications. The Kevlar reinforced black pulp cone ensures durability and smooth sound reproduction. Plus, the high-compression Super SPL flat foam suspension combined with the linear progressive Conex spider keeps the speaker performing consistently, even at higher volumes. You'll notice the difference in vocal clarity and mid-range depth. Rockville went further with a bullet phase plug and dual cone setup to extend the vocal range and reduce distortion. The ultra-rigid high-tensile expanded steel basket adds strength, supporting the oversized 1.5-inch high-temperature CCAR voice coil and hefty 60-ounce magnet structure. Together, these features boost sound quality and longevity. Frequency response ranges from 150 Hz to 15 kHz with a sensitivity of 102 decibels at 1 watt, 1 meter. This means the speaker efficiently converts power into clear sound, so you get more volume and detail without pushing your amplifier too hard. It's a balanced performer ideal for mid-range frequencies. One user shared their experience replacing a vibrating mid-bass speaker in a Kia K900. They appreciated that the Rockville RM64SP fit perfectly in the door and delivered excellent sound quality without needing a full system replacement. The only minor drawback was that both terminals are the same size, which might require extra attention during wiring. The package includes wire mesh grills for protection, but no wiring is provided, so plan accordingly. If you want to upgrade your car's sound with a speaker that combines power, clarity, and easy installation, the RM64SP is worth considering. If that's you, this Rockville mid-range speaker could be the missing piece to enhance your audio experience. Try it when you're ready to bring your music to life with richer mids and cleaner vocals.